Welcome to my car and my life. I'm in progress to renovate this old Ford that I had on Elmia for about 30 years ago. Please follow me to see all the progress. I'm already done the front bumper. This is the last bit I have to do on the rear bumper. 1 deciliter I think is a good amount. Let's see if we can fix 1 deciliter. Only have a big pencil today. A bit too much. Let's see here. The next step I think is to reinforce this and that one. It's the attachment point for a front bumper. Somewhere. But I want to reinforce them so they are stiffer. Maybe not necessary, but I can see small cracks in them. And I want to be sure that they are really stiff and good. So that's one thing, clean them up with the grinder. And then all the bits I took off the rear bumper, we should prepare and think out how to remount them in there. Look here, how can I have missed this? It's cracks here and down here. So some more grinding there, but we will wait with that one and do it when we grind off everything of the rear bumper. The rear bumper has cured and it looks really nice here. So we will grind down and see what the shape is. This is cured very well. The sharp edge here I was a little worried of, but it's good. It's really good. And down here is where we have to put everything back together again. And maybe reinforce a bit here, but it's really stiff. It's a good one. Now I've prepared all the bits. I have grind down the area a bit and just grind down this surface a bit on both sides. This is not super important how it looks, but I will put them back, these pieces. I think it's best. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to take hot glue and put some pieces in the corners. Then I can get these pieces to be in the right position. And I just put some fiberglass over it, and that's good enough for this purpose. Because it could be like it is now, it's stiff enough. But we'll put the things back together anyway. Let's see if I can use this ice scraper as tooling. Oh. Maybe not. One piece, two pieces. Now we have plenty of small pieces we can hot glue together to get this to fit like we want. I don't know if I'm going to put the last piece back or not. Leave it open or put it back. We will see later. Let me just take one of the smaller bits here and hot glue it in place. Like that. I don't know if you see what I'm doing. I hope so. There you have the first bit and the larger one. Corner there. It's stuck. Something like that. Now we can fit these pieces like this. Shouldn't be any problem to do this. I think this will work. Now I have prepared some fiberglass over there, and we shall soon start to reinforce the mounting plates for the front bumper. But first we're gonna take some measurement of where to put these mounting brackets on the front bumper. So I want to know how far apart the mounting points are. We start with the center to center on this one. 85.1, 5.1, 107.4. Now I will divide this in two and find the center point on the front bumper, then see how far out I should mount the brackets. Let's see, how do we find the center of a fiberglass bumper? My experience with fiberglass is that nothing is uniform, so it's hard to find the center. But we will take a couple of different measurements and see what we'll end up with. I think that is good enough, because we have some wiggle moan in the card later to get it right. So now I want to mark out where to put the consoles. $107 divided into 53.7. 42.5. I think that will be the right point for that one. 7, yes. This is where I want it. We want this edge to be right here. I think that's the best I can do right now. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.